of n into 360 plus theta is cos theta, which is in the first quadrant. Cos 45 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 2. Formula you know, x will be is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. x1 2 bar is given by x1 n1 plus x2 bar n2 divided by n1 plus n2. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So dears, I am solving here part from your question paper. Last session we have solved part A dears, which is a model question paper I am solving. And here session number 2, model question paper part B, I am going to solve it. And here are the number of questions they are going to ask. Part A will be 15 questions, in that 10 you have to answer. Part B will be 18 questions, which is a 2 marker, in that any 10 you have to answer. Part C will be 18 questions, in that you have to answer any 10. Part D will be 12 questions, in that you have to answer any 6, which is a 5 marker. Part C will be the 3 marker, that is a third main, okay. And part E will be the 10 marker, which is 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is a ABC pattern they are going to give it. So, which is a 10 marker, 3 questions will be given, any one you need to answer in that. Now, here I have attached the part B questions. Okay, all 18 questions I am going to solve it now. How you are going to write the answers? When they ask same type of questions or same questions may be in the final examinations. Okay, now this is a part B. Part B is a second main dears. The question number will start from 16 and it will end to 33 dears. Okay, it will end to 33. That you have to remember. So here let me solve the question number 16. What they have asked, find the number of divisors of 672. If you write directly the answer like the number of divisors, or you can divide, that is 672. Since it is a even number, it can be divisible by even prime, which is a 2. So 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, 1 is a carryover, 2 6 are 12, again it is a even number. 2 1s are 2, again 1 is carrying over, 2 6 are 12, 1 is carrying over, 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 21, it is a odd number, but it can be divisible by a odd prime, which is 3. So 3 7s are 21. Again 7 is a prime number, 7 1s are 7. So therefore 672, this step is very important. 672 can be written as 2, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. This will be carrying 1 marker dears, okay. So which is P1 to the power of alpha 1 into P2 to the power of alpha 2 into P3 to the power of alpha 3. So this will be carrying 1 marks. Now again, number of divisors is given by the formula 1 P of n is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha 2 into 1 plus alpha 3. This is from the chapter number theory they have taken. Now here T of n, which will be is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 is nothing but 5 here, alpha 2 is 1, alpha 3 is here, alpha 3 is 1. So therefore 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 1, alpha 2, 1 plus 1 is alpha 3. So 6 into 2 into 2. So the answer will be is equal to 24. So writing the formula and this, it will be given for 1 marker. Understood? Formula, writing and including this. Not if you are written this one and not writing the answer, half marks. So no half marks will be given in the mathematics DS. Okay? Any basic maths or maths, no half marks will be given, either 1 or 0. So if you do not write any one of these steps, then you are going to lose 1 marker. Understood? So this is how what? So this will be carrying 1 mark and these 2 steps will be carrying 1 marks DS. If you do not write also, this does not matter. Got? Now we'll be moving on to the next one. What they've asked, question number 17, find the numbers which when divided by 36, 40 and 48 leaves the same remainder 5. Now here second question also, 2 questions will be asked for a 2 marker from the chapter number theory. Now here the next question what they've asked. So you have to leaves the same remainder what? 5. So 36 minus 5 gives you 31, and 40 minus 5 gives you 35, and then 48 minus 5 gives you 43. So find the number means least number only, least of 31, 33 and what is that, 43 will be is equal to 31 into 35, 35 into 43. So the answer you are going to get after calculating, so the answer you are going to get it as 46,655. So this is your LCM. Find the number means you have to find out the least common multiple to yours. Okay, fine. So now we'll be moving on to the next question. If A into B is equals to minus 1 comma A minus 1 comma B minus 2 comma A minus 2 comma B, then find A and B. So here they have given an ordered pace, isn't it? So you need to find out A. A is what? This is a Cartesian product, correct? So A is nothing but minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Repeated elements are write it only one time. So B elements are second elements. What are all the second elements? So repeated elements are only writing one time. So B is equals to A comma B, like this only you must write. So this gives you 2 mark. Okay. Now we'll be moving on to the next question. Simplify 2 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 2 to the power of n plus 2. This is from theory of indices. You can write it here 2 to the power of n into 2 power 1 plus 2 power 1 into 2 power minus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 2 power n into 2 power 2. Okay, which implies that 2 power n you can take common. 2 power 1 plus 2 power n already taken common. 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2 divided by 2 power n taken common. 1 plus 2 power 2 is remaining. Writing these two steps, they are going to provide 1 marker. Now here 2 power n will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 2 plus 1 by 2. You can take LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 divided by 2 whole over. Again 1 plus 2 squared is nothing but 1 plus 4. Correct. So here 1 plus 4 will get cancelled. This 2 will come to the denominator. The answer you are going to get it as 1 by 2. These steps they are going to give you 1 mark. Okay. So totally 2 marks. From these 2 steps they are going to give you 1 mark. And from this step 1 mark. 1 by 2 is your answer. I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, which is a question number 20. So if the second term of an AP is 4 and the 10th term is 20, find the 15th term. So second term of an AP, that means A plus D, correct? Second term of an AP is nothing but 4 they have given, right? T2 is nothing but A plus D, correct? A plus D, right? So next A plus 2D, which is the third term, A plus 3D, which is the fourth term, one number is lesser. A plus D is 4. Next 10th term. 10th term is what? A plus 9D is equal to 20. So let me subtract these. What you are going to get? Yes, AA will get cancelled. D minus 9D, which is minus 8D, is equal to 4 minus 20, which is minus 16. Correct. So minus minus will go 8 ones are, 8 twos are. So D will be is equal to 2. So you need to find out now what? 15th term. That is T15. T15 is A plus 14D. So A is nothing but here A plus D is equal to 4. So A will be is equal to 4 minus D. So A will be is equal to what? 4 minus D is 4 minus 2. So A is equal to 2. Finding D and A value will be 1 marker. Got? So and finding the value of 15th term will be 1 marker, 2 marks. So A is 2 plus 14 into D is 2. So T15 is 2 plus 14 2s are 28, which is nothing but 30. So T15 is nothing but 15th term is nothing but 30. So this will be carrying 1 marker. Finding these two answers will be 1 marker. Okay. I hope you got this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next question. Insert 3 GMs between minus 4 and minus 64. So let me write 3 GMs are minus 4, comma, G1 second term, G2 third term, G3 fourth one. 3 terms are inserted. 5th term will be minus 4. Therefore, first term here A is minus 4 and last term Tn is nothing but minus 64. We know that Tn is equal to what? A r to the power of n minus 1. Correct. Where n is nothing but what? N is nothing but 5. right? Let us substitute that. So Tn will be is equals to A is nothing but minus 4 into R we don't know. N is nothing but 5 minus 1. Tn we know, which is minus 64. Now you can have, see, minus minus will get cancelled. So you can, here 16 fours are, which is 64. So R to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4, which is equal to 16. 4 ones are, 4 16s are. So R to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Correct. Now R will be is equal to what? R will be is equal to 2. Writing the nth term and finding the R value gives you 1 marker. And you are going to find out 3 GMs. That is, first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR squared, fourth term is AR to the power of 3, fifth term they have given already AR to the power of 5 is minus 64. So minus 4, this will be minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 into 2 squared minus 4 into 2 cube minus 64. Now here minus 4 minus 8 minus 4 into 4, which is minus 16. Again minus 4 into 8, which is 8 fours are 32. Again 64. So the 3 GMs are minus 8, minus 16 and minus 32. So finding this will be given 1 marker. Understood? This and all no need to write. Directly you can come to this and write down. That's it. Now we'll be moving on to the next question. That is our question number 22. Solve x plus 19 divided by 5 minus 3 is equals to x by 4. So how to solve this one? You can take the LCM, which is nothing but 5. So x plus 19, 5 3s are 15 divided by 5 is equal to x by 4. You can cross multiply after simplifying. X plus 19 minus 5. This and next step I am going to give you. X plus 19 minus 5 is nothing but x plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to x by 4. Correct? Because so 19 minus 15, which will be giving you 4. Now here you can cross multiply 4 to this. 4 into x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 5x. Writing this step and this step given a 1 marker. Got? Now you can take 4x to that side, which you are going to get it as 5x minus 4x is equal to what? Is equal to 16. Now 5x minus 4x is nothing but x is equal to 16 is your answer. And writing this will be 1 marker. That's it. Which will be a 2 marks, dears. I hope you understood this step, right? Now, we'll be moving on to the next question. What they've asked, solve by formula method 3x squared minus x minus 10 equal to 0. What they've asked formula? Formula you know, x will be is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Writing the formula and substituting in that will be 1 marker. So, here a is nothing but what? A is 3. B is nothing but minus 1, C is nothing but minus 10, correct? Please write down those values. And x will be is equal to B minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus R minus square root of minus 1 whole squared minus 4 into A value is 3 into C value is nothing but minus 10 divided by 2 into 3. Now, which will be minus of minus is plus 1 plus r minus square root of minus 1 squared is 1. Now, minus is plus 10 4s are 43s are, which is 120. So, therefore, 120 divided by 6. Now, which will be giving you 1 plus r minus square root of 121 divided by 6. So, writing the formula, substituting gives you 1 marker. And then writing this one and next step is nothing but 1 plus r minus 11 divided by 6, because root 21 is what? 11. So, therefore, here 1 root is nothing but what? 1 root is 1 plus 11 by 6. Another root is 1 minus 11 by 6. Now, 1 plus 11 by 6 is 12 by 6. 1 minus 11 by 6 is minus 10 by 6. Now, 12 by 6 is nothing but 2. Now, here 2 5s are, 2 3s are. Now 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and writing these, it will be, and this one, it will be 1 marker, and writing these two will be 1 marker. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. 24th question, solve 3x minus 2 lesser than 2x plus 1, where x belongs to real number, represent on the number line. This is from the linear inequalities. So you can solve this one. 3x, we can subtract it here, 2x minus 2x lesser than here 3x minus 2x. Again you can subtract also what? You can add also 2. If you add, minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled here, 2x will get cancelled, 1 plus 2. Correct? I hope you understood this step. Writing this step gives you, and the next step. What is that? 3x minus 2x is nothing but x is lesser than 3. If x is lesser than 3, x belongs to what? You can write it as minus infinity to 3. Correct? 3 is a open bracket. Why? Because it is a strict inequality. Slack inequality is this one. Lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is a slack inequality. Lesser than, greater than, this is a strict. Slack, strict. If it is a strict, you should close with a open bracket. If it is a slack, you have to close with a square bracket. Okay. Now number line. What is a number line? See, you have to write either in the graph sheet or like that only in the pencil you can write down. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is up to plus infinity, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to here minus infinity. Now you have to represent a line. X is lesser than 3 means on the number line. So this is what? X is lesser than 3, but it is here a strict inequality. Strict inequality means hollow circle. I hope you are finding this color, hollow circle, and then write a line up to minus infinity. This is what the number line representation, and this they are going to provide it 1 marker. Graph 1 marker, solving and writing 1 marker. Understood? I hope you understood this question also. We'll be moving on to the next question. Question number 25. What sum will amount to 6525 at 10% per annum compounded annually for 13 years? So this is from the chapter Simple Interest and Compound Interest, which is the chapter number 8. So amount to, so A they have given what? 6525, correct? And they have given R. So R is nothing but what? R is 10%, right? So and then 13 years compounded annually. So T they have given it as what? 13 years, right? So you know that SI will be is equal to what? SI will be is equal to A minus P, correct? Now here SI is nothing but what? PTR divided by 100. We know that what? SI is nothing but PTR divided by 100. So SI you know that A minus P. Let us substitute. A is nothing but what? A is 6525. 6525 minus P is equal to P. T is nothing but what? 13 years. R is 10 divided by 100. Now you can cross multiplication. 6525 into 100 minus 100p. Taking 100 to this side is equal to 13 is 130p. Correct? Now take it 13p that side. So therefore 100p plus 130p is equal to 652500. Correct? Now 100 plus 130p is 230p. So 230p is equal to 652500. Otherwise P will be is equal to 652500 divided by 230. Now the answer you are going to get after calculation is 2836.95. 2836.95 is your final answer. So writing this and this step will be 1 marker, and writing this and final answer providing 1 marker. Totally 2 marks. Okay. We'll be moving on to the next question. The average score of 20 boys is 60% and the average score of 30 girls is 70%. Find the combined average. This is from the chapter averages. So let me take, let what? Number of boys, it is given it as 20. And x1 bar they have given it as 60%, and number of girls which I have taken n2, and x2 bar average they have given it as 70. So combined average is what? x1 2 bar is given by x1 n1 plus x2 bar n2 divided by n1 plus n2. So writing this formula is very important, and this one marker. Substituting what? So 20 into 60 plus 30 into 70 divided by 20 plus 30. So answer will be 6 2s are 12. We are going to have 1200 plus 7 3s are 21. 2100 divided by 50. So the final answer after calculating 1200 plus 2100 is 3300, right? Divided by 50. So therefore the answer you are going to get it as 66%. That's it. Writing this 66% is very important because there was combined average, right? Okay, dears, we'll be moving on to the next question, which is question number 27. Now what they've asked, if the cost price of a 10 articles is equal to the selling price of the 9 articles, find the gain percentage. So let me take it as, let cost price of 10 articles is equal to x. Therefore, CP of unit article, that is one article, right? Unit article is equal to, what is that? X by 10. Similarly, selling price of 9 article is also what? Because they are given equal, x. Therefore, selling price of one article, that is unit article, is equal to what? X by 9. So therefore, what is that? They have given they are equal. Therefore, selling price of an one article minus selling price of cost article gives you what? You can take the LCM, which is 90, correct? So 10x minus 9x is nothing but x. So what they've asked, gain percentage, isn't it? This is a gain per unit. Gain per unit. Now, so this will be what you can have, writing this and this will be one marker, and will be what? Next you are going to have gain percentage. So gain percentage is given by the formula gain per unit or per cost into 100. So gain per unit is nothing but x divided by 90, and cost price is nothing but what? Whole divided by cost price is x divided by 10 into 100. Now which will be, you can have, so here x will get cancelled, correct? So 90 will come to the denominator, so 10 by 90 into 100. So the final answer you are going to get it as 11.11% after solving this in a calculator. Okay, so writing that answer will be one marker. Got? So dears, we'll move on to the next problem. What they've asked. Next problem is question number 28. Shopkeeper buys 50 pencils for rupees 80 and sells them at 40 pencils for rupees 90. So find his gain or loss percentage. So how many pencils is going to? A shopkeeper buys 50 pencils at rupees 80, correct? So and then selling price of 40 pencils is how much? Rupees 90. Therefore, selling price of unit pencil. So selling price of unit pencil or one pencil is equals to how much? 90 divided by 40, which is 9 by 4. Correct. So therefore, find his gain or loss. So what it will be? So therefore, cost price of 50 pencil is how much? So cost price of 50 pencils, right? So 50 pencils is equal to 50 into 9 divided by 4. So after calculating this, the answer you are going to get it as rupees 112.50. What will be the gain? So here cost price is greater than the selling price. So correct. So therefore here cost price is greater than the selling price. Therefore it is a profit. Therefore profit will be is equals to how much? Profit will be is equals to 112.50 minus 80. So you are going to get the answer will be is equal to 32.50. Okay. So here the profit you got 32.50. Profit percentage is equal to 32.50 divided by 80 into 100. The profit percentage. So you are going to get the answer as 40.625%. Okay. This much profit percentage he is going to have. Got? So this is what the profit percentage. I hope you understood this problem. We will be moving on to the next question. Prove that under the root of secant a plus tan a divided by secant a minus tan a is equal to 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. First, let us take the left hand side and prove the right hand side. Under the root of right secant a is 1 by cos a plus tan a is sin a by cos a divided by secant a is 1 by cos a. So, which is under the root, right? 1 by cos a minus tan a is sin a by cos a. Writing this step is important. And taking LCM. LCM is what? LHS implies. So, LHS implies. Numerator LCM will be cos a and adding 1 plus sin a divided by denominator is also cos a and adding, subtracting 1 minus sin a, right? Under the root. Now cos a will get cancelled. Remaining it will be what? You are going to get it under the root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. But this is not the answer, they have asked this one. So you are going to multiply the conjugate now. What is that? So under the root of 1 plus sin a into, what is this? Into conjugate is 1 plus sin a, right? Divided by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Now what is this? 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, which is under the root of 1 plus sin a whole squared divided by a minus b into a plus b, which is a squared minus b squared, which is 1 squared minus sin squared a. Writing this step is also very important. Now cancelling the square root, what happens? Which will be equal to 1 minus sin squared a is cos squared a. So 1 plus sin a whole squared under the root divided by under the root cos squared a. Writing this step is also very important. Now root will get cancelled. Remaining answer will be implies that 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, which is your RHS. That's it, dears. This is what the proof. Writing, remember this step and then this and this and this, 2 marks. Okay. Okay, dears. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, which is a question number 30 here. What they've asked, find the value of cos 1125 degree. That means 1125 degree. Now here, this is from the standard angles and allied angles. 1125 degree is greater than what? 360 degree. Therefore, n into 360 plus theta we can take it as, right? So, cos of 1125 degree can be written as cos of, you know already, 3 into 360 is nothing but what? 1080. 1080 plus what? 45. 1080 plus 45 gives you 1125. Correct? So, therefore, 3 into n into 360 plus theta. So, which is nothing but cos of n into 360 plus theta is cos theta, which is in the first quadrant. Cos 45 degree is nothing but 1 by root 2. So, writing this and this one gives you 2 marker. That's it. I hope you understood this one. Now, we'll be moving on to the next question, dear. So, what they've asked, They've asked like this, find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 5, 2 and 1, 7. Centroid of the triangle formula is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, isn't it? Let me call the given point as let A of 2, 3, B of minus 5, 2 and C of 1, 7 be the points. Okay. Therefore, centroid of triangle ABC is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now you can take this one as x1 y1, this is x2 y2, okay, and this is x3 y3. So therefore adding x1 plus x2 plus x3, 2 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 3, comma second coordinate, that is 3 plus 2 plus 7 divided by 3. So therefore 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 3, comma 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10, 10 plus 12, 2 is nothing but 12, 12 by 3 is nothing but 4, right? So writing this and this one and here this one, they are going to give you 2 marker. I hope you understood this one also. Now we'll be moving on to the question number 32. Find the equation of the line joining through 4, 3 and with the slope 2. What they have given? Point they have given. Given point is what? Given point is x1, y1 is equal to 4, 3 and slope, that is they have given m is equal to 2. So what is the slope point form? Slope point form is given by, this is very important step, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is nothing but 3, m is nothing but 2, they have given x minus x1 is 4. Multiply y minus 3 is equal to, writing this step and substituting is very important. 2 into x is 2x, 2 4s are 8. Take all the terms to that side, which is 2x minus y, see minus 8 plus 3, which is minus 5 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Writing the formula and substituting is very important, and writing the final steps is very important. I hope you understood this one also. Now we'll be moving on to the next question, which is the last question of your part B, question number 33. So find the equation of the line joining the points minus 1, minus 2 and minus 5, minus 2. Dear students, you can observe here in a straight line they have asked 2 questions, okay, of 2 marker. Now here 2 points, given points are what? Given points, let me call it as x1, y1 is equal to minus 1, minus 2 and x2, y2 is equal to minus 5, minus 2. Now let me take the 2 point form, because 2 point they have given, this is very important step. 2 point form is given by y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substituting in the formula, it will be giving you y minus y1. Y minus y1 is nothing but here minus 2, minus of minus is plus 2 divided by x minus x1. x1 is nothing but minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to y2 minus y1. So minus 2, minus of minus is plus 2 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 5, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Writing this step and this substitution is very important. Now solving, y plus 2 divided by x plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 0, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, 0 by anything will be 0, cross multiply, y plus 2 is equal to 0 into x plus 1, otherwise y plus 2 is equal to 0, and this is your equation, y plus 2 is equal to 0. Writing this step and these 2 steps are very important. That will be giving you 2 marker. So, okay dears, I hope you understood this session, how to solve or how to answer 2 marker questions, which is a part B in your question paper. In the next session, we'll be moving on to solving a part C, which is a 3 marker questions. In that 18 questions will be given. In this also 18 questions they have given. I have solved all 18 questions. In that you need to answer any 10 questions. Okay dears. So next session will be having a part C, which is a 3 marker question. There also given 18 questions. Will be solving all 18 questions. In that you need to answer any 10. So until then, keep watching. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.